So today in this video I'm going to explain how you can make Sudoku puzzles book absolutely for free, because obviously there are a lot of ways in which you can make Sudoku puzzles. First of all, you can make through like this free method that I'm going to discuss today, and the second thing what you can do is you can go to Creative Fabrica, link is in the description, and you can purchase any interior and you can modify it, add elements to it, and you are good to go. So if you do not have time, the Creative Fabrica option is good. But if you have time and you just want to make it unique, then this free method is for you. Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka and I talk about KDP on this channel. If you are already supporting me, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. And if you're watching me for the very first time, please go ahead, watch my videos. It is available in both of the languages, Hindi as well as English. So whatever language you are comfortable in, you can go to the playlist and you can watch from the basic concepts. Okay, so how to make Sudoku puzzles book? First of all, you will go to the Amazon and you will change the postal address to the New York or whatever US city, and then in the all section you will go ahead and you will type Sudoku puzzles, and obviously you have to find the sub niches, because if you type only Sudoku puzzles, you can see there are 8,000 results, which we do not want. We want some niches with low competition and high demand. That is our main focus, right? So 8,000 is not the one that I go for. I always pick the niches which is below 1,000. So let's get into this and let's find the sub niches. I have already discussed a lot of times and in a other lot of videos how to find the sub niches. So if you're not aware, you can go ahead and you can watch all those videos as well for the complete description. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you just one example. So Sudoku puzzles, and Amazon will give you some suggestions. Sudoku puzzles for kids. I want to make easy Sudoku puzzles. You can make hard as well, but for now I'm just gonna go with yeah, this one is also there. Sudoku puzzles for kids 9 by 9 or 4 by 4. So you can see Sudoku puzzles for kids 4 by 4. Here the result is 212, which is good. We always aim for search of less than 1,000. It is satisfying our first criteria. Now I want to make sure that is there are enough demand in this particular search result, right? So I look for 3 books with ranking 300,000 or less than 300,000. So I will scroll down and I will look into these books. I will not consider this is sponsored one, because obviously they are running ads to get on the top of the ranking. Okay, so I am not going to consider it. I'm only considering the organic ones. So I will just scroll down. So we got our first book here with the ranking 33,332, which is satisfying the ranking that is equal to or less than 300,000. Now we want 2 more books. The second one is here 283,582, and the third is here 244,166. Okay, so that means we already got the 3 books with the ranking that we had in our mind, and it means that it is a profitable niche in which we can start working on. Okay, now the main thing, this is the cover. I have already discussed how to make a cover, how to take the keywords. I have discussed everything. Right now I'm going to discuss how we are going to generate this interior, which looks like this. Okay, it is kind of cartoon one, but I'm going to just explain easy and simple. So this is, first of all, what you have to do is you have to go into this website, that is imtoolbox.com/Sudoku generator. It is completely free site and I'm not promoting it. I'm only suggesting what I use. I'm not getting anything out of it. So do not think that she is getting anything and that's why she is promoting. No, that is completely false. Okay, so this is your toolbox. Here you can select the medium, that is easy, medium or hard. I'm creating it for children, so it is gonna be easy. And if you want to create a new one, you can simply create new. Once you have done this, you can download it. Simple, it has been downloaded here, and then you will click on solve. After clicking the solve button, you will just download it. Okay, so your first page is ready. Now you will go into the Canva and you will create a design, and it is obviously a custom design, so the interior size could be anything like 8.5 into 11 inches. It is what I'm considering the standard one. So I'm gonna select it and I'm gonna put these both into my files. Okay, so once you are creating the page of your book interior, you can customize it, you can add borders to it, you can add backgrounds to it or whatever, but I'm just giving you a simple one over here. So what you will do is here, this our Sudoku first puzzle. I will go ahead, I will type a text, I will add a text box, Sudoku 1. After that, I will just add a page and I will add my answer. Let's add text till then. Sudoku answer. So this is Sudoku answer, and why it is not uploading? Here it is. Okay, this is the answer. So what you will do is you will go ahead and you will add all the pages like Sudoku 1, 2, 3, whatever. If you want to create 100 pages puzzle book, 200, 150, whatever, and after creating you will arrange these answer at the end of the book and your interior is ready. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section below and I will see you in the next video.